Ready to see how I went from enough hair for 10 people to silky, straight, and flowy? Keep watching. Welcome back to my channel. It's your Chana Irie, aka Pineapple Styles, and we are here with a deluxe silk press on a regular pineapple. So I'm starting off by pre-detangling her hair. She just took off some travel braids that we did about 3 weeks ago. And if you follow me on Instagram or even already followed me on YouTube, you would have seen a video that I posted about a client whose hair took me until 4 a.m. Yeah, this was her hair. So now we are going in and we're about to silk press her hair and give her a nice haircut because it's been a few months. So my client actually has a flaky scalp. It's stuck between dry and flaky or over oily and flaky, but her scalp flakes pretty quickly. And so as you saw in the previous clip when I was detangling, she had a lot of flakes. So I'm going in and shampooing. I start off with a clarifying shampoo. For me, that was the Oat and Henna Design Essential shampoo. And then I went in with a moisturizing shampoo after. I shampooed her hair about 3 times. And when I shampoo, I like to make sure I'm also clarifying the hair and not just the scalp. Especially when your hair is this long and if you've had braids, you want to make sure you're getting all the product off of your hair. So I'm going in and kind of pre-detangling and separating and just really working that shampoo in throughout her hair. Since this is a deluxe silk press, it of course includes a steam hydration treatment, especially because it's the winter time. So while my client's hair is getting the steam hydration treatment, I have a mixture of Olaplex and Amika's deep conditioner and bond strengthening conditioner in her hair, and I am detangling section by section. This process probably took about an hour. Her hair just tangles really easily, especially because her ends need to be cut. So yeah. This is her hair post shampoo, and I want to show you where she actually started before this. So this was my client's first curly cut with me in March of 2022. Crazy, right? Okay, now onto her blow dry. So I like to use my Dyson and go section by section. I start off by pre-drying with my comb attachment. Then I spray my Kenra blow dry spray. And for her, I'm going in with my paddle brush first to really stretch it out. We wanted the process to not take too long, and I wasn't trying to really fluff her hair too much. And then I went in with my round brush to really give that extra tension and flow and just give her hair all of the movement it needs. Sidebar, I'm not pulling hard. My client is sleeping peacefully, and that's why her head is moving like that. She came from a long day of work, and I love my clients to feel comfortable enough to relax and rest in every way that they need to. This is her hair completely blow dried. I want y'all to guess below how long it took to do this. Let's get into straightening. Oh yes, I catch every single hair, and I love to use my little Amazon pencil straightener. I literally bought this when I was back in cosmetology school and still have it now. So I use the pencil straightener first to get the roots, and then I go in with my FHI Heat ceramic flat iron. It's their tourmaline ceramic iron. That's why it has the red plates, but I feel like this works amazing. I know most people like to use titanium irons on natural hair, but I mean, just look at the amount of shine. And like, I mean, come on, like her hair looks beautiful, okay? And I had taken a video for her to see how silky and gorgeous her hair is getting. So yeah, gorgeous. Her hair is silk to perfection. Like, this is the straightest I've ever gotten her hair, and this is the first time that her hair has gotten this silky since someone else heat damaged it. So let's finish up the straightening process. Now, as a hairstylist, does it get a little hard when y'all start to doze off? Only depending on what I'm doing. With the silk pressing, not at all. Now, it's when I'm cutting hair, if someone falls asleep and their head jolts, that's when it's scary, because it's like, Lord, I don't want to chop off their hair by accident. Yes, y'all see that shine, that healthy movement? Look, I mean, she still needs a haircut, but the hair is already silken. So this is a full view of her hair before the cut, and as you can see, it's super duper long. Alright, it is time for the haircut. If you're used to seeing my videos, you know I like to part my sections, and her hair is super thick. Major key when your client has thick hair so that you don't end up with choppy ends, you need to section it off, okay? If you're not sectioning it, you're doing yourself a disservice. And as you can see, I'm also going through and trimming down the split ends that are on the interior. So yeah, you see how clean that cut is? Alright, I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest. Look at these results, clean ends. Let's flash back to her hair last year. This was her hair October 2022, and this is what it looked like curl. So yeah, this is her hair as of December 2023, looking healthy, shiny, gorgeous, silky, long. This is why you guys gotta stick with the low maintenance regimen and taking care of your hair, not manipulating it much. You can see results. Look at that. Ooh, yeah. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more, and I will see you in my next one.